On day 9 of Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial, Senator Christopher Bong Go took the floor to provide additional context surrounding one of the incidents cited by the prosecution, the 2011 punching of a court sheriff by then Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte. Go did not dispute that the incident occurred. Instead, he argued that the circumstances leading up to it were essential to understanding what happened. The prosecution cited the incident as part of its effort to establish what it describes as a pattern of violent conduct by the vice president. But Senator Go said the confrontation cannot be understood by looking only at the moment when Sara Duterte punched the sheriff. According to Go, the city had just been hit by devastating floods. Informal settler families were facing demolition without relocation, and Mayor Duterte had requested a brief postponement before the confrontation took place.
Ari na madaling araw, yung flash floods at marami pong namatay, 28 to 31. At after a day, July 1, may schedule po yung sheriff na paalisin yung mga informal settlers na wala pang malilipatan. Ang maalala ko lang po na nakiusap si then Mayor Sara na kung pwedeng ipagpaliban muna ng ilang oras o araw yung pag demolish po sa mga illegal or informal settlers na walang malilipatan. Actually, sa totoo lamang po, since we are here for the search for the truth and justice, I believe it is incumbent upon me to put on record my recollection of what happened. Yun po yung maalala ko. Sabi ko nga na may pulisiya po yung syudad noon na kung walang malilipatan yung mga informal settlers ay wag munang paalisin. Kawawa po yung mga kababayan nating mahirap na wala pong malilipatan. Yun po ang konteksto ng nangyari. We are not justifying violence, but we are highlighting that context is important to have a fair assessment of the incident. In our search for the truth, importante alamin natin ang dahilan at konteksto ng mga pangyayari upang maging patas, objective at makatarungan ang ating pagsusuri. Yun lang.
As the impeachment trial continues, the Senate Impeachment Court is expected to weigh not only the incidents presented by both parties, but also the competing narratives surrounding them. The Philippine Bureau Mapping Power, Profiling Leaders.